Hello students, let's work this problem out together. The Bosch company makes wood cutting blades. They measure 12 inches in diameter. What is the area of each cutting disc? So we're looking for, in our question, what is the area of each cutting disc? So let's take a look at our circle. The circle shows us the diameter because it's going from one side across to the other. So this would represent the diameter. But we're looking for area, so let's go ahead and look at our formula chart for area of a circle. We do find the formula chart. Do you see the area of a circle? Yes, area equals pi r squared. So since this is our formula, notice that there is no formula that uses d or diameter. The only formula for area of a circle is this one, and it uses r for radius. So we cannot use the diameter that was given to us, but that's okay. We know there's a relationship between the diameter and the radius. So if they told us the diameter is 12, what do we have to do to get our radius? Do you remember? Yes, the radius is half of the diameter, so we would divide by 2. Excellent. So that means that the radius from the center to the edge would be half of 12. So we would do 12 divided by 2 to get the radius, and that would be 6. So our radius is 6. So now we can use that number to substitute it in for the radius in our area formula. So area equals pi times 6 squared. So 6 to the power of 2 is 36. And remember that pi, we will be using 3.14. So 3.14 times 36. And now we will evaluate 3.14 times 36. We get 24, carry 2. 6 plus 2 is 8. 6 times 3 is 18. We put a placeholder because we're done with the 6. And 4 times 3 is 12. We carry 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 3 times 3 is 9. We're going to add our rows together. 9, 10, 11. And then remember to count your decimal places. You never want to forget that step. And so our decimal places in our first factor, there are 2. So in our answer, there will be 2 because those are the only 2 decimal places in the factors. So 113.04. Now remember our units? Our units were in inches. But since this is area, and we multiplied the radius, which was in inches, times itself, we multiplied inches times inches, and our area is inches squared. Anytime we have area, our units are square units. So our answer is 113.04 squared inches. We will put this number into our grid. Remember, 113 is a whole number, so it goes in front of the decimal. And the 400s go behind the decimal, 0, 4. And then we would make sure to bubble in nice and neatly. Let's make sure and read our question one more time. What is the area of each cutting disc? So each cutting disc has an area of 113.04 inches squared.